This is an explanation of exercise 2.5, the 1, 2, 6, 5, 1 progression, which you can find on page 15 of your textbook. So if you remember, last week you did the 1, 4, 5, 1 progression. Or if we were to do it in A major, since that's our world today. That's what we're working with, okay? So that is a common progression, 1, 4, 5, 1. We're usually expecting 5 to lead to 1 kind of near the ends of phrases. However, what we can do is we can substitute the 2, 6 for the 4 in this particular cadence process. The joy of that is that we're able to keep the bass line the same as we had last week, except for now when we were playing a D major chord for the 4, instead we're going to make this the third of our 2 chord. Okay, so our 2 chord in this case would be this minor 2, and that 2, 6 means that we're playing an inversion, so that's why the D is the root. Okay, so we're looking for B, D, F sharp. D's already covered in the root, so we're really just looking for B's and F sharps, okay? We always want to try and double the root where we can. So we're going to come out here and do it here, and then the F sharp is there. So we're coming from A major, our tonic chord, and then we go to here. See how that's just a slightly different sound than, right? It gives us just another color that we can use. And then we're going to go back to that same 5 that we did before, which is nice because this your first finger is going to stay the same. The root of the 2 chord essentially is going to stay the same. And then you're going to find these here, and then you're going to go back to your 1. So looking at that one more time, it looks like this. That's the idea. Now, when we invert the right hand and plot things on top, we look like this. This time, it's really easy to just get the full 2, 6 chord in our right hand. So we're going to do it. So that's how we do it that time. So we go from A, the 1, to the 2, 6, to the 5, like that. Look at that one more time. So that one, to me, is one of the easier ones. Now, when we flop things one more time with our right hand, this time we're going to double the 5th of that 2 chord instead of the root. So we're going to do it like this. So we go from here to here. 2 F sharps, 1 B. And then that allows us to really easily get to this 5 chord position. And then back to 1. So that looks like this. Okay. So the major looks like this. Now when we go to minor, we have a minor 1, a diminished 2, and then still a major 5, and then back to a minor 1. Okay, so you got to watch out for that as you do that, making sure that the C goes natural in the 1, and that the F goes natural in the 2, and then a normal major 5. Works the same here. C natural, natural F, and then last but not least, let me show that to you one more time. So that's the idea. We'll have some videos that show you going through the full circle of fifths with both of these progressions.